Got a little bit of a mess. So Trevor, what are we thinking here? How are things panning out in here? I know this place was like totally...
Yeah, it was spick and span a little bit ago.
What do we call it when Jake gets a hold of a space and doesn't...
Call it Jakeified.
That's right, the space has been Jakeified.
We'll fix it.
Okay, good. Because it's pretty bad. This is all like leftover rinse-ates and mixes from last year, right, Trevor?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're very responsible with how we store all this stuff. We keep it off the ground, we keep it all together. Anything that's up there uncapped, there's no liquids in it. But any liquids that are in there, every March, we always book an appointment to dispose of all of this properly. So it's like a yearly cleanse for us, isn't that right?
Right.
Yep. So all of this, come March 22nd, going bye-bye, except for the sign. The sign is cool. We spent like, what, 4 hours on that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That sucker is awesome. Half of them work?
Yeah, half of them.
Okay, yeah, if half of them don't work, just dump them. Yeah, I'm serious. If half of them don't work, just in the trash and then we get another one. I have tried everything possible in years past to get all of these to work. When they don't, shake them. Maybe you get a little lucky, but that's the problem with these. The way they're designed, the heat kind of just takes them out of their seating in the bulb. It's hard to explain, but it takes it out of there, and then a third of the strand doesn't work, sometimes 2/3, and it's just, I am not messing with that. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. Honestly, once these are gone, like entirely gone, we're switching those people to LEDs, because the other 95% of our clients on the lighting side of things, all LEDs. How funny is that? This is after like 1 to 2 years of use with these damn things. This is actually the main unit that where it all started. I've been in this unit now the longest, the one we're standing in, and everyone's been asking me, Jake, please do a shop tour. When are you gonna do a shop tour? Really open to doing that. I just haven't done it because we have a lot of stuff and we just quite haven't figured it out yet. Every time we're here, we change things around, right? So here's the deal, we're cleaning this out. We got some bins in here too. These are actually antifreeze, and this is a cool thing I wanted to show you. So this one here, this is what regular antifreeze should look like when it freezes. See? That's pure antifreeze. This is cross-contaminated with what was in my spray tank when we bled it out. So that looks pretty good. Then you come over to this one, which is a little more contaminant, and you can see there's some ice in there. Not good. I've never had antifreeze watered down this much in my tank, so thank goodness for that, right? And then this one is just black slush. We need caps. We're gonna get caps for those, but obviously in March we're gonna dispose of all that properly as well. We got a tote in here ready to go for next year. That pretty much sums it up. We got the lighting garage cleaned. I showed you a little bit of FERT garage. As I mentioned, I'm doing the FERT and Trevor is going to be doing the mowing. He just left now, so we got a cool thing going this year. He's going to be taking the helm and doing the mowing for me, as well as some of the aerations that pop up throughout the season in the spring and fall. And then that way I can just laser focus on spraying. So yeah, awesome stuff to come. We're definitely going to be a team this year, and I'm really looking forward to how it works out. So that's it. See you guys later. Bye.